Alright guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to archive your file with password, maybe zip or RAR on your phone, and how to share it with your family and friends through Google with limited access and also free link access. Stick around this video to the end because I'm going to show you how to do it. Make sure that you click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to get notified whenever I drop any video on this YouTube channel. Let's dive into the tutorial. The first app we are going to be using is called RAR. So go to Play Store or App Store to get the RAR. Download it and install it on your phone. Open it and it's going to show this interface. Just click on this, means select the file that you want to archive. Just click on it. So for the sake of this tutorial, I click on this alpha logo. So I click on this plus sign, this plus button at the top. Click on it. It's going to bring this interface. We have the RAR, zip, delete file after archiving, create solid archive. Just if you want to delete the file, the original file, you click on this delete file after archive, or you choose either RAR or zip and you click on set password. You put your password. For the sake of this tutorial, 1 2 3 4, then you click OK. Then you click OK. After that, then you can click the overall OK at the down part. Just click that OK, or you want to select the browse where you want it to be, the folder you want it to be, and do all those settings yourself. Then you click on OK. So it's going to that the file has been encrypted, so you click on it. So that's it. So the second app we are going to using is Google Drive. So just go to Play Store the same way you did the other time, download it, install it on your phone, because that is the app that we are going to use to share it. Open it and this is the interface. You click on the file and you click on new, you click on upload and you upload the file. So we locate the file on your phone, you upload it and it's going to be uploaded on your Google Drive. Locate the file after uploading, then click on this three side button of the app. Now you see manage access, share and all of that. Click on the manage access. So we want to transfer it to people. So now this, we have the restricted. So this restricted is just, if you click on it, you can change it to anyone with the link. Anyone with the link is going to get access to that file whenever you share it with them. But that restricted option, even if they have the link or anybody share the link out of your consent, they are not going to have access to that file until they get back to you to request access. You can click on this plus button to add them. Just request for their Gmail, add them and send the file to them. So this is the two ways whereby you can give access to any of your file that you put on your Google Drive. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I drop any video on this channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. God bless you.